everyone, this is Ahmed Dan. Today I'm going to talk about a piece of security device, very inexpensive, which you should be always keeping in your car, and even you should be carrying it when you travel. But the thing is, no one does that. So this is what it is. It's called a car window breaker or seatbelt cutter. This is very inexpensive. You can buy it for like $10 to $20, and this is the bigger version. If you're traveling, then there's like a very smaller version which you should be keeping it with you all the time in your backpack or in your pocket. So the way it works here, so let's say if you are in a car accident or if you're underwater and then you have to break the car glass, then it has a built-in hammer which is right here. So you have to just break the car glass and you can come out of the car accident. Then other way, if you get in an accident and your seatbelt is on, then it's very difficult to cut the seatbelt or remove the seatbelt. Then here there's a seatbelt cutter. This would cut the seatbelt and it would help you to save lives. Now you can buy these anywhere, Walmart or Canadian Tire or online stores like Amazon or any online stores, and these are very inexpensive. So whenever you're traveling or if you have a car, you should keep one with you all the time, and hopefully you never have to use that. But this is a small investment, $10 to $20, a small security device recommended by firefighters and security experts. That's what you need all the time for your and your family's protection. For the next tips and tricks video, I'm going to put a link on the screen, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.